This is a turbocharged unit and we need tools. These are the tools to open the turbocharge. Okay, now let us open the turbocharge and service the turbocharger. This is a turbocharge unit. We have to open the turbocharge and service the turbocharger. This is connected to the exhaust manifold and this is connected to the inlet manifold. This part is a turbine unit. This is a compressor unit. Now let us open the turbocharger. So loosen all the bolts and now remove this. This is a turbine impeller. Okay. Compressor. This is compressor unit. Now this is a compressor unit. This is connected to the air filter. From the air filter, air is sucked and it gives to the engine inlet manifold. This is connected to the engine inlet manifold, and here this is a compressor, the turbine. This is connected to the exhaust manifold. The exhaust gases comes through this unit and it will rotate this turbine. Okay, and the exhaust gases will go out from this unit to the exhaust manifold, from the exhaust pipe. It goes to the atmosphere. Okay, now let us open this compressor. This is a compressor. Now here this is a compressor and this is a turbine unit. Both are connected with a shaft here. So when the turbine rotates, the compressor also rotates with the turbine. So now this is a oil inlet. So oil inlet pipe and this is a oil exhaust. The oil is lubricated with the shaft. The shaft is lubricated by the oil, engine oil. It comes here and it lubricates the shaft and it goes to the sump inside. On the flange of the compressor. Put the Allen keys.
Yes. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ
Open the shaft of the turbocharger. This is the shaft. This is the shaft which is connected to the turbine and the compressor. This is the hub, turbocharger hub. Turbine will be there and compressor is this side. Okay. Now check the condition of the compressor blades and also check the condition of the turbine blades and also check the condition of the shaft. Okay. If the shaft is there not, replace the shaft, turbine wheel and compressor wheel. So it is available in a kit. Okay. Now you will get the bushes also in the kit. You have to replace all the bushes here. This bush and also you have to replace the bush also. Condition of the shaft, compressor wheel, turbine wheel and the bushes. Condition of the bushes. In case any wear out, you have to replace all the bushes, this plate. Now after replacing the, assemble the turbocharger in a reverse order, the assembly. Okay. with the plate. ಮಾಡಿ sir. Tighten the flange bolts, Allen key bolts with the Allen key. Among the flange and compressor. Now fix this cover.
ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
Tighten all the bolts of the compressor. After assembling the compressor unit, assemble the turbine unit.
Finally,
check all the bolts for tightness. Assemble the unit in the vehicle. Now
Yes. Okay, this is the cut section of the turbocharger unit. This is the turbine unit. This is the compressor unit. Both these two units are connected by the shaft that is called as the compressor and turbine shaft. Yes, this is the working of the function of the turbocharger unit is that is the boosting device. It is supplies the air to the engine inlet manifold above the atmospheric pressure. Due to this, that is to be increases the engine power as well as you can get the maximum power from the engine. So it is how it is to be work. Now we explain. So this is the working model of the cut section of the turbocharging unit. First, that is the engine exhaust gas will be passed on the turbine blades. Then turbine blade will be rotating very fast. Thus turbine blade is further connected to the that is the compressor. Both will be rotating that is the same speed. Now due to the that is the high pressure of the exhaust gas that will be forces it will be turns the that is the turbine wheel. Due to this rotation, this compressor wheel will be rotating very fast. This will be suck the atmospheric air from the inlet manifold that is the inside of the that is the compressor blade. This will be rotating very fast. This rotating fasting, then the air will be increased as the pressure. That pressure will be passes to the that is the engine inlet manifold. This is the working of the that is the turbocharging unit. Okay. Next, one more function is there. They have to be providing that is the shaft. The function of the shaft is that is to be connected the turbine wheel as well as the compressor wheel. This will be rotating. They have to providing the yellow passages. So that is the cooling purposes. It means that is to be cool the shaft by using the engine lubricating oil that is utilizing for that is the cooling. It will lubricate the that is the turbine shaft. Okay.